everyone, welcome back to my channel. Queen Mia here. Please subscribe if you're new and don't forget to click or tap the bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Today's video is Maroon 5's Memories ukulele tutorial. But before we start, please tune your ukulele. Okay, let's get started. For this song, we need 5 chords. C, 3rd fret, 1st string. G, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, 1st string, 3rd fret, 2nd string. A minor, 2nd fret, 4th string. E minor, 2nd fret, 1st string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 4th fret, 3rd string. F, 1st fret, 2nd string, 2nd fret, 4th string. The strumming pattern is down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. The intro is C, G, A minor, E minor, F, C, F, G. Here's to the one that we got, C and G. Here's to the one that we G got. Cheers to the wish you were here but you're not, A minor and E minor. A minor, cheers to the wish you were, E minor, here but you're not, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories, F and C. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the C memories of F and G. Everything we've been G through. Then toast to the ones here today, C and G. Toast to the ones here today. A minor, toast to the ones that we E minor lost on the way. 'Cause the F drinks bring back all the C memories, and F, the memories bring back G, memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember, C and G. There's a C that I remember, G. When I A minor, know the E minor. When F, then for C, and F, G, C, G, A minor, E minor, F, reach out to C, F, oh will one day, G, yeah, then everybody hurts sometimes, C and G. Everybody heard G. Just A minor hurts some, A, E minor, A, F. I'm gonna C, alright. F, lesson, G, say A, repeat. Here's to the one that we got. And also toast to the ones here today. After the And memories, F, memories, bring back G, bring back you, C, okay, the chords are C, G, A minor, E minor, F, C, F, C. There's a C that I remember, G. When I A minor felt so E minor. When I F, the C hatred was to F full to stop G. Now my C G, and it's A minor up the E minor, and I'll F B C F G, yeah, and then repeat. Everybody hurts, A minor someday, A F, C F G. Okay, back to here's to the one that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not, because the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way, because the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you. Repeat twice. So, and memories bring back C to G to A minor to E minor to F C F G. Memories bring back you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 no. Memories bring back you. Have fun learning. Bye. See you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.